Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life and to pursue your dreams. Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the fascinating world of the law of rhythm. This universal law states that everything in life operates in cycles and patterns, and in this video, we'll be discussing how you can use this knowledge to understand and navigate the cycles of life. Let's get started. What is the law of rhythm? The law of rhythm states that everything in life operates in cycles and patterns. This means that the events and experiences in our lives follow a repetitive pattern, and it's up to us to recognize and understand these patterns to make the most of them. The cycles of life can be seen in many different aspects of our lives, from the seasons of the year to the ups and downs of our emotions. Understanding the cycles of life can help us prepare for what's to come and make the most of each phase. Now that you understand the cycles of life, let's talk about how you can use the law of rhythm to achieve success. Here are a few steps to get you started. 1. Observe the patterns in your life. Pay attention to the cycles and patterns in your life, from your daily routines to your long-term goals. 2. Plan for the future. Use your understanding of the cycles of life to prepare for what's to come and make the most of each phase. 3. Cultivate resilience. The cycles of life can be challenging, but cultivating resilience can help you bounce back and overcome any obstacles that may arise. 4. Embrace change. The law of rhythm states that everything is constantly changing, and embracing change can help you stay adaptable and make the most of each phase of life. The law of rhythm is a powerful tool for understanding and navigating the cycles of life. By recognizing the patterns and cycles in your life, you can make the most of each phase and achieve success. Remember, the cycles of life are always in motion, and it's up to us to use this knowledge to our advantage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.